how to use Temu gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use your Temu gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have a gift card of Temu and that you want to redeem it, first of all, there are two things that you have to understand. One is the promo code, the other is the gift card code. So the process to redeem promo code is also different, and the process to use your gift card code is also different. So first, I'm going to show you both of this. Add a few products to your cart and then just go to the checkout page, right? Make sure to enter your shipping address, billing address, and all you have to do is, if you actually have a promo code or a coupon code, or in the top right you'll find the option called enter coupon code, right? So you can just enter the coupon code and then click the apply button. But if you have a gift card code, scroll down and then here you'll see payment method. You have to select card. So depending upon whatever type of card it is, it doesn't really matter, because as long as the card number and the expiration date and the year and the CVV is actually correct, your card is going to be successfully used to purchase this product over here. So just make sure to enter the details and then also make sure to enter the expiration year. Then after you've done that, just click on it and then just choose the option called submit order, and depending upon the value of the gift card, it is going to be successfully added to purchase these products over here. And hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.